Once again, very good morning, dear friends. Today, let we start the unit third of the physical chemistry, that is electrochemistry part 2. Now, in this, let we first of all discuss the first question. Explain the construction and working of electrochemical cell, or it can be again said as the explain the construction and working of Daniell cell. So the answer is that what is the electrochemical or galvanic cell? The device in which electrical energy is produced from the chemical reaction are called as the cell or the galvanic cell. It is also called as the voltaic cell. In this cell, oxidation and reduction reaction occurs through external electric current. एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक करंट की वजह से क्या होता है, उसमें ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन और उसके साथ साथ क्या रिडक्शन रिएक्शन इसमें होता है दोस्तों. Electrical energy is produced during such spontaneous reaction. Let us consider the redox reaction between zinc metal and copper 2 ions. The arrangement consists of two beakers, one of which contains 1 mole solution of the zinc sulfate and the other 1 molar solution of the copper sulfate. In latter, the pic or the image, you will see that a zinc rod is dipped into the ZnSO4 solution while a copper rod is dipped into the copper sulfate solution. These rods are known as electrodes. The metallic rod in the beaker are connected to the galvanometer by means of the insulated wire through the key. एक बटन के साथ वो होता है. The solution in the two beakers are connected by an invert U-tube containing the saturated solution of this some electrolytes such as potassium chloride, potassium nitrate or the ammonium nitrate, which does not undergo a chemical change during the process. The saturated solution is generally taken in a agar jelly. The opening of the U-tube are plugged with the some porous material such as glass wool or cotton. The U-tube which connects the two glass beaker is called as the salt bridge. ये हम देखने वाले later on. When the circuit is completed by inserting the key in the circuit, it is observed that electric current flows through the external circuit as indicated by the voltmeter. As time progresses, zinc rod gradually loses its weight and equivalent amount of the copper get deposited on the copper rod. However, the solution in the two vessels remains electrically neutral. The overall reaction is, now in this video again, dear friends, you can see over here that the salt bridge is placed over here, as usual the cathode and the anode. So as the zinc, the anode zinc is in contact with the zinc sulfate and the cathode copper is in contact of the copper sulfate. So as you can clearly see here, the reduction process over takes place here, that is the copper 2 positive gains the 2 electron over here and it converts into the copper. In this case, the zinc Zn, it gives the 2 electron and converting into the Zn2 positive. So that is the working of an the electrochemical cell. The setup, how just we will go on set, and the working how it takes place, it can be easily just explain or with the help of this diagram, the working of an the electrochemical cell. Now in this picture you can clearly see how the simple galvanic cell is looks like. So you can see the keys in between that, the zinc rod, that is the your one of the rod, and second is the copper rod. In between that a U-tube is there. That U-tube is nothing but this U-tube is nothing but the salt bridge. Here the one copper rod, the zinc rod, tap key is over here. In zinc rod, the zinc rod is connected with the 1 molar solution of the zinc sulfate, as well as the copper rod is connected with the 1 molar solution of the what? Copper sulfate, and cotton plug is placed in between that. So this is all about what? This simple galvanic cell construction.